In this video, I will show you how to add taxes in WooCommerce. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and from the left sidebar, hover over WooCommerce, then click Settings. At the top, open the General tab and scroll down until you find the Enable Taxes option. Check the box next to Enable Tax Rates and Calculations, and then click Save Changes. Once you save the settings, a new tax tab will appear at the top. Now click on the Tax tab. Here you can choose how taxes are calculated in your store. You can decide whether prices are entered with tax, included or excluded, choose the tax calculation method, and select how tax totals appear during checkout. After adjusting the settings according to your needs, click Save Changes. Next, open the Standard Rates section. This is where you can manually add tax percentages for different countries or regions. Click Insert Row and then enter details like country code, state code if needed, zip code, city name, tax rate percentage, and tax name. For example, you can enter a rate like 15 for a 15% tax. After filling in the details, click Save Changes. You can also create reduced or zero tax rates by opening the reduced rate rates or zero rate rates sections and adding rows the same way. Once everything is saved, your taxes will automatically apply to products during checkout based on the customer's location and your tax settings. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.